So, on-site commission is when you're able to put your videos you post onto your storefront that Amazon will decide in their own discretion if they're going to list it on the product page. So, if you click on any product, like you see right here for this baby swing, over here you see 9 videos. Now, this is not the only spot you can find your video. Now, way back in the day, this was the main place where you could find your videos and earn money, which was down here in the video carousel. They removed it, but now they're bringing it back, but it's like really a lot of people on here now than it was in 2020. But just to show you what that means is you will typically have a brand video showing at the top, and then you will have the influencer videos here, and then you have customer videos. It's a lot of videos on this product. I wouldn't target it because the brand videos look really, really well. But you just never know. So sometimes you have to just try it out and see what happens. But a lot of my videos on products like this are just placeholders. And that means it's here, but no customer is really clicking on it because the brand's videos are really, really good. And that's where you have to really just figure out how you want to do it, because if after a while ain't nobody clicking on it, it can just stay here, but I'm going to move this video somewhere else because every video for me is a money maker. It has to be on another platform to help me make some money. I didn't make it for fun. I made it to make some money. But these products like this, sometimes, and not even just this category, can fall in just being a placeholder. So that's why being able to maintenance your videos and see what's happening with them on a monthly basis can help you make that decision. But this is like what the whole on-site commission thing is, where your videos are placed in other places and Amazon is able to use them to help them make more money, because if your video or photo is doing great, they can advertise it around Amazon.com. If someone clicks on it, they earn money and you earn a commission. I did a rookie mistake when I submitted my first 3 videos. Like, can you spot what I did wrong and why I was rejected? Like, I don't even know why I did that, but sometimes I get so caught up in what I'm going to put inside of my description, and I put something that I know I use it for, but should not be ever used with Amazon. And that's the word pain. Anything that's like a trigger word like that to give medical advice, quote unquote, is what you don't want to put in the description or verbally in a video. And I did that, which is why I was rejected. So I had to download the video. Well, I had to upload the video again, change the wording, and then it was accepted. So I waited 24 hours before everything was done. Luckily, it was over the weekend, so it was cool. But just make sure when you're doing these descriptions as well as making the video, don't say words that's going to get it rejected to claim medical advice in any way, shape, or form. There are so many other things, but this is like the easiest one people get tripped up on, like I did. And I've been in program like forever. So yeah, that's one. Now, once you get all these accepted, right? So the third video that was rejected was published on 6/29. You still have to wait. And let me show you what I mean by that. So congratulations if you're like me and you finally got to this page here where everything has been accepted, but you still see that lock. What does it mean? It just means that Amazon has to give your account a review before it can put you into the on-site placement category. So you're still going to have the lock until your account has been fully reviewed. This is where people don't want to continuously upload videos because for any reason, Amazon can be like, nope, we don't want to accept you into the on-site commission program. And then you have all these videos there that you created specifically for Amazon and it's been denied. So wait until you get this lock off and you will get a message that says congratulations. You get a little confetti. It's all cute and pretty, and the lock will be removed, and then you can upload more videos because then you have a higher probability of getting your videos assigned to a sales page to earn commissions. Now remember, even though you upload a video to be put onto a product page, it does not mean it will happen every time. Amazon at their sole discretion can be like, nope, we're not putting your video there. And it just sits inside of your storefront. So just know you can upload videos, but at any time, if you don't see your video, Amazon can remove it or not even put it on there at all. It's all up to them. Now, waiting for many people is so stressful and it's annoying, but this is how it works when you're becoming a part of the on-site commissions. Amazon can be a little bit finicky with people. I have yet to hear somebody be denied after this part, but it can take a very long time. And because it takes a very long time, we should be getting prepared. What I'm going to do is I'm going to make sure I have all of the products I'm going to be making a video for prepared in the list, so there is no lag of me trying to figure out what I'm going to be using, right? Because I'm going to be strategic with my videos to make sure I'm going to be seen and have a high probability of getting clicks from customers so that I can earn some money. I want to make sure I am not just blindly making videos. I have to be strategic with my actions, and this time gives me the ability to do so.